Right now, while you're watching this, your body is quietly tearing itself apart and putting itself back together. Millions of cells are dying. Millions more are being born to replace them. This happens every single second of your life, whether you're aware of it or not. So if that's true, why do so many of us wake up tired, foggy, or achy? The answer isn't that your body's repair system is broken. It's that it's missing the raw materials to do its job. Let's fix that. Every organ, every tissue, every system in your body runs a constant renewal cycle. Skin, gut lining, blood cells, muscle fibers, even parts of your bones. This isn't occasional maintenance. It's happening continuously, whether you eat well or not. Your body doesn't ask permission to repair itself. It just needs the materials to do it well. That's why fatigue, brain fog, low-grade inflammation, and slow healing from bruises or workouts aren't necessarily signs that something is wrong with you. They're often signals that something is missing. Think of it less like a broken machine and more like a factory that ran out of parts. The crew is still showing up to work. They just don't have what they need to finish the job. So what's the one material your body leans on more than almost anything else for this rebuilding work? Protein. Protein is the literal construction material for your body. Muscle, enzymes, hormones, antibodies, skin, hair, all of it is built from protein. And here's the part most people don't realize. These proteins wear out and break down every single day. Without enough protein coming in through your diet, your body simply can't fully rebuild what it lost. Picture your body as a construction site that never closes. Protein is the lumber and the steel. Run short on it, and the crew has no choice but to start cutting corners. Now, one of the most practical, everyday foods for supporting this process is the egg. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own, plus choline, B12, and selenium. Nutrients your body uses alongside protein to actually carry out repair. They're cheap, versatile, and easy to add to almost any meal, which makes them one of the simplest ways to support this process without overhauling your whole diet. Of course, they're not the only option. Greek yogurt, fish, and legumes paired with grains can do the same job. So here's what to actually do with this. Try to get a protein source at every meal, not just dinner. Don't wait for symptoms to show up before you start supporting repair. And instead of chasing one superfood, pair your protein with nutrient-dense foods like eggs, leafy greens, and colorful produce. Your body is going to keep rebuilding itself whether you help it or not. The only question is whether you're giving it what it needs to do that job well.